Hello friends. Welcome to today's powerful and life-changing book summary. Today we are talking about one of the greatest books ever written on communication and leadership, The Art of Public Speaking, by Dale Carnegie and J. Berg Esenwain. Friends, public speaking is a skill that can transform an ordinary person into an extraordinary leader. It gives you confidence, respect, influence, and success. Whether you are a student, teacher, business person, job seeker, YouTuber, or someone who wants to inspire people from any platform, this book is a complete guide for you. So let's begin this amazing journey and know the secrets of becoming a great public speaker. Part 1: Why public speaking is important. The book starts by saying that the world belongs to those who can express their ideas clearly. Most people know a lot, but they are unable to speak confidently in front of others because of fear. But Carnegie says, the cure for fear is action and practice. Public speaking helps you in building strong confidence, creating an impressive personality, becoming a leader, getting better opportunities, inspiring people, influencing society. Famous leaders are famous not because they knew everything, but because they could speak powerfully and emotionally. Part 2: How to prepare a speech. Preparation is the foundation of a successful speech. Steps for preparing any speech. 1. Know your subject deeply. 2. Select important points. 3. Add examples and stories. 4. Practice multiple times. 5. Make a strong opening and closing. A great speaker does not memorize words. He speaks from heart with clarity and honesty. Part 3: Connect with your audience. The main power of a speaker is not his voice but his ability to create emotional connection. People listen with their heart, not only with ears. Ways to build connection. Use real-life examples. Tell stories and experiences. Ask questions. Show empathy and expressions. Respect audience feelings. Carnegie says, tell a story if you want people to remember your message forever. Part 4: How to build confidence. Confidence does not come magically. It comes with practice and preparation. Tips to increase confidence. Practice daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Speak in front of a mirror. Record yourself and listen. Start by speaking in small groups. Do deep breathing before speaking. Smile and stand straight. Remember, practice is the real secret of success. Part 5: Voice modulation and body language. Your voice and body language speak louder than your words. Important elements: voice tone variation, speed control, pauses to add power, eye contact, open body posture, effective hand movements. If you speak in a flat voice, even the best speech will sound boring. Energy makes a speech alive. Part 6: Overcoming stage fear. Everyone feels nervous, even great leaders and actors do. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is acting despite fear. Methods to overcome stage fear. Practice repeatedly. Visualize success. Use positive self-talk. Understand that audience is not your enemy. Prepare properly. Fear disappears when experience increases. Part 7: Make your message powerful. To make your speech memorable, use short and strong sentences. Use real-world facts and examples. Use powerful and emotional words. Repeat the key message. Example: believe in yourself. Yes, you can do it. Today is your day. Part 8: Speaker's character and personality. A great speaker must be a great human being first. Honesty and humility make the biggest impact. Qualities required: honesty, passion, positive attitude, discipline, knowledge, simplicity. The audience believes a speaker who is authentic and real. Part 9: Methods of practice. Practice techniques suggested by the book. Mirror speech practice. Recording practice. Bullet point notes instead of reading full script. Gesture practice. Feedback from friends. Carnegie formula. Practice plus passion plus consistency equals mastery. Part 10: Structure of a powerful speech. Every great speech has 3 parts. 1. Strong opening. Ask a question. Tell an inspiring story. Use a powerful quote. Share a shocking fact. 2. Meaningful body. Clear ideas and supporting examples. Real life stories. Logical explanation. 3. Impressive ending. Strong call to action. Emotional conclusion. Motivational message. The ending must leave an impact even after the speech is finished. Part 11. Inspirational impact. The real goal of a speaker is not only to speak, but to change people. Your speech should teach something new, inspire action, change mindset, encourage courage. Main message of the book. Anyone can become a great speaker. Speaking is a learnable skill, not a talent. Hard work plus practice equals success. Your voice can transform your life. If you practice daily, believe in yourself, and speak from your heart, you can influence thousands of people one day. Final motivational line. Your voice is your power, use it to inspire the world. Friends, thank you so much for listening to this summary. I hope you gained valuable knowledge and confidence from this book. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe for more inspiring book summaries. Thank you so much friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.